much 9 hours in, running P4 currently. I really feel like the conditions, starts to cool down and the car starts to come alive. Everything goes to plan, and yeah, now we just keep pushing and just send it for the last 3 hours.
We're happy. Adam did a fantastic triple to start. Had a couple little issues, but got through them well. We feel like we're in a good spot.
To think that we would be podiuming in my rookie 12 hours of Sebring, Porsche gave us an amazing race car. Wright Motorsports knew exactly what to do with it.
Crazy day, it wasn't the easiest of days for sure. Track was very, very difficult today, but to get P3, I think with our car, and for sure we maximised what we had today. So great day, really, really happy.